Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 10 e-commerce tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about product sorting and view products per page on subpage. So let's see how can we working this product sorting and this product per page on this subpage. Okay, so first of all, go to the sub controller. So switch to the project and let just go inside the app directory, then http controllers, and from here let's open this one controller.php file, and inside this index method just pass here the request and $request. Okay, and now here let's create two variable, one for the page number and one for the page size. Okay, so first create the variable page and get the value from the query string. So right here $request, and for accessing the query string just write here query and pass here the key page. Okay, and create another variable which is size, and now $request arrow query and pass here the key size. Alright, and now let's check for the value inside the page or size. So right here, if page has not value, so right here if not $page, then assign the default value. So right here $page is equal to 1, and also check for the size. So right here if not $size, then assign the default value which is size is equal to 12. Alright, now let's pass here the page size. So just remove this hard-coded value 12 and write here $size. Alright, now let's pass this page and size to the view file. So inside this array just write here page arrow $page, and now pass here the size. So write here size arrow $size. Okay, now save this file. Now go to the shop.blade.php file. So just go inside the resources directory, views, and from here let's open this one shop.blade.php file, and inside this file let's find this drop down. Okay, this drop down, so let's find here. Okay, you can see here this is the drop down for the page size, product per page. So inside this drop down just remove this selected and add here curly bracket, and inside this curly bracket just write here the ternary operator. Check here the size. If size is equal to 12, then just print here selected. Okay, otherwise blank. And now let's copy this and paste inside these options. Okay, so paste here, and now change the value here 24, here 52, and 100. Okay, now go to the bottom of the page, and after this int section let's create here before this section. Okay, and before this int section let's add here a form and set the id let's say frm filter, and method get, and inside this form let's add here two hidden field. Okay, so right here input type is equal to hidden, name is equal to page id, page, and value is equal to double curly bracket dollar page. Now let's copy this and paste here, change the name, so just select and press Ctrl plus D 3 times and just write here the name size. Okay, id size and value size, dollar size. Now after this int section, just add here the push directive, so right here dollar push and give the name here scripts, and now add here the script tag and close the script tag. Okay, and inside this script let's add here the event handler for this drop down. Okay, this drop down, so let's copy this id and write here dollar this one page size and add here the on change event, so right here on change, and now add here the callback function, and inside this function let's get the selected value from this drop down and put the value inside this hidden field. Okay, so right here dollar double quote has sign size dot val, and inside this val just write here dollar and then give the drop down id, so right here page size and then write here option colon selected. Okay, and then call the val method, so right here dot val, and after this just submit this form. So let's copy this id and write here dollar as and this form id frm filter, and now call the submit method, so right here submit. Okay, now save this file. Now it's done. So let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. You can see here this is the 12 product. Now let's change the page products per page, and let's select this one 24, and you can see here this time it's showing the 24 records. Okay, if I change the 52, now let's select the 12, and here is the 12 products. Now let's working this drop down. Okay, sorting drop down. So first of all go to the shop controller, and now inside this index method let's create here another variable which is the order variable. So right here dollar order is equal to, now get the value from the query string, so right here request arrow query, and right here the query string key which is order, and now check the value. If not order, then assign the default value, so right here dollar order is equal to 1. Now here let's create two more variable, one for the sorting the column name and another for the sorting order, either ascending or descending. Okay, so create here two variable. First dollar, let's write here the variable name o underscore column, okay, order column, and set here the default value blank, and another variable which is o underscore order. All right, now let's add here a switch case. So right here switch, and inside this switch case just pass here the variable order, and inside this just add here the case. If order value is 1, then set the value inside the o underscore column created at and inside the o underscore order set the value descending. Okay, and now add here the break. Now let's copy this and paste here multiple time. Okay, so just paste. Okay, and change here the case value to 3, 4, and also add here the default. So right here default, and inside this just copy and paste here. Okay, if value is 2, then add here the column name created at and order ascending. So right here ASC, and inside this case if value is 3, then assign a column name which is regular price, regular underscore price. Okay, and order ascending, and if case 4 value is 4, so write here the column name regular underscore price and order descending. Okay, and by default the column name ID and order descending. All right, and now before this pagination just add here order by and set the column name $o underscore column comma $o underscore order. Alright, now just return this order to the view file. So right here comma single quote order arrow $order. Okay, now save this controller and now go to the shop.play.php file, and inside this file let's find the drop down. Okay, this one, and inside this order by drop down just remove this one and add here double curly bracket $order. If order is equal to -1, then just to display here selected, otherwise blank. Okay, and now let's copy this and paste inside this option. Okay, now change here the value order is equal to 1, order is equal to 2, 3, and here 4. Okay, now inside this form, filter form, just add here another input hidden field. So let's copy and paste here, change the names, id and variables. So just select and press Ctrl plus D and just write here order. And now after this, just add here the JavaScript handler. So let's copy the ID of this drop down. So let's copy, and here just write here dollar and just paste here the ID, order by, and event handler, change event, and just add here the callback function. And inside this callback function, just copy these two lines and paste here, and now change the ID. So right here order, and here order by. Okay, now save this file. Now it's done. Inside this order variable, just assign the default value -1. Okay, and now save all, and let's check. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, and you can see here the default order. Now change the order, new to old. Okay, and now select old to new, and you can see here. And if I change here price low to high, and you can see here the minimum price, which is $2.445, and it's increasing the price. Okay, and now let's select the order by price high to low, and you can see here the maximum price, which is on first, and it's decreasing the price. Okay, if I next page, on second page filter is not working. So resolving these problems, just go to the shop.play.php file, and inside this pagination just add here arrow with query string. Okay, and now save this file. Now let's check again. So just remove this and refresh the page. Alright, now change here the order by high to low, and now go to the next page, and you can see here it's still working. So in this way you can make product sorting and product per page working on shop page. So that's all about product sorting and products per page. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.